Your contents are much more engaging and professional when you have consistent characters throughout your story. That is, if you make content around AI influencers on Instagram and TikTok, or African folktales right here on YouTube. And that's why in this video, I'm going to give you the best solution and other creative tricks you can use to make your future contents stand out. And for today's tutorial, we're going to be using Leonardo Ai since it is completely free to start with. I mean, everything we're going to be doing right in this video is 100% free. And you can also get to this particular page from the link in the description. So once you get here, you're going to click on image creation. And the first thing you have to do is to make sure that this legacy mode is turned off, because when it is on, it will just keep generating random images all the time. So make sure to turn it off. And basically, there are two ways we can achieve the same result of having consistent characters for your content. And the first method is using text, that is normal text input. And the second method, which is even better, is the use of images to create our consistent characters. So let's begin with the first method, where you will describe your image on this particular text box. And for the sake of time, I have crafted a prompt for the image that I want to create. And I will also give you another important trick to use if you do not know how to create a good prompt for your images. And this will help you save your time and give you the best results that you want. So I will just go ahead and paste the prompt I crafted on this text box. And you wait for it to generate the images. Now we have our first image ready, and you can see what the images look like. And for her to look this clear and beautiful, it is because our prompt is well detailed, alright? Which I will still show you how to do that. This will make your images look more realistic, alright? Now let's go and create another image that will retain this person's face, but we have a different facial expression. Maybe where she's happy or sad, and we will also change the clothes and the hairstyle and also the background. And to do that, we are going to click on this icon right here, then select this one that says Edit with AI. And I will paste the text containing the adjustments that we want to make. But the only thing you should have in mind is that this place is just for adjustments, so you don't have to type in long prompts on this particular text box. So just focus on the color, clothes, background, facial expressions, and so on. Alright, so when you are done, you click on Done. And you can see now that our original prompt has now been adjusted to give us a different result. Alright, so click on Generate to create the new image. And you can see what we have right now is very neat, guys. They kind of look the same thing with the previous one we generated. So this method has allowed us to give her a new hairstyle with feathers, different clothes, and also the background. And this particular method also works for everything you want to create, ensuring consistency on your images. Alright, so let's make another adjustment before we go to the best part of using image to get a more realistic AI image. Alright, so click on this icon again, Edit with AI, then paste the prompt, then hit Generate. Now here is another image generated, and most of them actually look the same, but let's try to compare them. Alright, now this is the first one we generated, and right here is the second one with feathers, and this is the third one we just generated now. You can see they almost look alike. Alright, now let's go to the second method. So what you want to do is to click on this icon and select this one that says Describe with AI. Now this method allows you to upload any photo of your choice that you want to copy. Alright, just like this particular image you see here, all the prompts I used in generating all those images we just generated, I got the inspiration from here. Like, I got the prompt from this particular image. So once you upload any photo right here, the AI will describe the image and generate the prompt for you. and that prompt, you can use it to create an AI version of that image. All right. You can also use the ones you have already generated. Just select the one and it will create the prompt for you. All right. And you can also find inspirations on Google. Just download any picture or image of your choice and upload it here. It will create a prompt that can generate similar images, and this will help you to save your time and also generate a more realistic images for your content. Now let's see how this works. Click on this particular place to upload the image. I just selected an image of an influencer, and you can see that we have a new prompt generated by Leonardo Ai using the image we just uploaded. All right, so let's generate the image. Now you can see how she looks. The faces are even more similar, but let's make some adjustments to the prompts and compare both of them to see if there is any similarity between them. All right. For instance, we are going to make some adjustments where she puts on black leather jacket and she's probably inside a car. All right. So when you're done, you're going to click on done, and you can see our prompt has now been updated. Now let's click on this button to generate the image. Now you can see the final result is here. It's very clean, and you can see that they almost look exactly the same. All right. So this is how to create a more realistic, consistent AI images for free. And don't forget to subscribe for more digital skills.